client just called us because her thermostat is off, but system is running and blowing cold air. We don't have any power coming to the thermostat, but inducer motor is spinning, blower motor is spinning, and we have 4 blinks, which mean overheating. Here our sensor, 27 volts coming, but nothing out. This is failed. Fuse, okay. Let's start the air conditioner. Here is our old guy. Nice. Static pressure is more than 0.5. Our delta is 7, and here is our pressure. 30 years old furnace, 30 years old AC. What do you think, repair or replace? Client decided to do nothing with air conditioner, so we just replace faulty limit. Good. Short lunchtime and go to another one.